Hi everyone, welcome. Thanks for being in such a great number. So my name is MG, Marie-Gabrielle. I'm the co-founder of the Wagon here in Montreal that I co-founded with Antoine, my associate here. And it's a great pleasure to welcome you for our 9th batch in Montreal. Yeah, already 9th batch. It's amazing. So just a little word to thanks first Lagarde, who is our space for this 2 past years. Thank you very much for hosting us throughout the year, actually, and not only tonight. And also, I just wanted to say a few words about Le Wagon, for those who don't know who we are. So Le Wagon is a coding school, and our mission is to bridge the gap between business, technology, and creativity. So for that, we offer an intensive bootcamp, a full-time bootcamp such as we did the 2 past months, but already also now we offer a part-time bootcamp, which is the exact same program than the full-time, but spread over 24 weeks. So it's great for people who can't leave their jobs, entrepreneurs who are not able to leave their startup as well. Now you can do Le Wagon as well. And basically it's a coding school where you're gonna learn hard skills, all the coding skills, programming basics, software architecture, database, but also the soft skills needed to be able to build an app, build the MVP. That's what you're gonna see tonight. MVP being a minimum viable product, and the soft skills that is required to be able to work in a team efficiently and effectively. So Le Wagon is about to train people that want to change career, creative people who want to become developer or product manager in tech startups, people who want to be able to be very efficient in the world, the technology world we live in now, and entrepreneurs also who are willing to be able to build their own product. So it's a great pleasure to be now. Actually, we are in 20 countries. Le Wagon is a worldwide community. We are in 35 cities around the world, so it's a huge community. And just right now, I think we were like 250 people graduating all around the world. So, and here we have 26 amazing students, and I want to give a huge round of applause to all of them. So I'm now pleased to hand over to Aline, our great community lead, and she will introduce them to you. Have a great evening.
So hello everyone, I'm really happy to have you all here tonight. So about this batch, actually it's a very special batch. We have people with many different backgrounds. We have a nurse, we have architect, we have people who are entrepreneurs, product managers. Anyway, it's such a diverse group, an amazing group. And they have something in common. All of them, they wanted to learn how to code, to change their lives, to become better professionals, so it's pretty cool. I also want to give them like a huge round of applause. I'm really proud of them this week. Yeah. And you all inspired me very much those days. You know, you are very committed, hard workers, and you have a lot of creativity. The way you help each other today with the pitch, it's an amazing group. So thank you for your company. It was awesome. And actually now they will start with their pitch, their projects. For those of you who, oops, it's falling here, who never coded before, you cannot imagine the challenge it is to do that in only 10 days. So they start from zero, from scratch, they design the product, they prototype it, they code it, they put it online, then they pitch it. So it's a lot of work in only 10 days. You should be really proud of that. So without further ado, we'll start with the first one. And it's quick outfits. Quick Outfit is an app that dresses you, built by Jackie Chow, Marc-Antoine, and Joël Columas.
Hi everyone, my name is Mark. I'm 29 years old and I'm a web developer. And people usually mock me because of my sense of fashion. I always end up, you know, in this type of situation where I chose the wrong outfit, it doesn't match, and when I try to think about it in the morning, I never figure it out, and I lose so much time. But I recently started to use this app called Quick Outfit. Let's take a look at it. So what I really like about Quick Outfit is that they organize my whole wardrobe. And today, guys, I actually have a demo day. So I need to select a specific outfit for a day. Let's check it. Okay, that's nice. Well, you know, they just offered me a really great t-shirt, a red t-shirt. I think I'm gonna wear it for the night. Let's just add it to my wardrobe. Okay, cool. So I will add the picture. Nice, that I took with my phone. Nice. Well, it's definitely a top. Color is red. Everyone can see it. And it's casual style. Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, great. That's cool. Okay, so I will definitely wear this red t-shirt, but as you guys know, the weather is not really good those days in Montreal. So I might take, oh, what is it? It's a leopard jacket? Whoa, I forgot that I had that in my wardrobe. I only used it once. I don't think I will need it anymore. I will remove it later on. Well, let's check the raincoat. Raincoat is always a good thing, you know, it's in case it rains in Montreal. What type of pants could I choose? Well, not this one. Well, blue jean is always a good option for casual, you know. In terms of shoes, no, I don't really like those green ones. Well, the brown one, I wear them quite often. Well, let's check those ones. Oh, what do I say? Outfit doesn't match. Oh, what happened? Fashion alert, no more than 3 colors. You know, I'm really bad with that. So I think I should just remove the yellow coat and take my chance with the weather in Montreal tonight. Let's save it. Okay, what could I give as a name? Maybe demo day could be good. Yeah, definitely. Cool. Outfit pending confirmation. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a Quick Outfit stylist to validate my outfit. Let's go back to the wardrobe and delete this ugly leopard jacket. Well, it's not good yet. I will remove it. Well, it's cool. It's a feature like on the iPhone. Nice. Let's go to my wardrobe now to select the outfit. Whoa, they instantly they approved my demo day outfits. Okay, cool. I'm gonna check in the casual. Nice. Demo day. They've put me 5-star. Really good choice. You're gonna kill it. Whoa, thanks guys. That's great. Okay, let's put it in my calendar for today, you know. That's cool. Oh, they updated it. Cool. So it's Friday. And as you guys know, I've done this intensive bootcamp at Le Wagon, and I'm gonna have a lot of job interviews on Monday. So I better prepare for that and choose an outfit. Sports, not really the type. Interview, 4 stars, well, that's great. Let's check the other one, 3 stars. The comments are not good. I will take the first one for Monday. Cool, nice. And for the weekend, I don't know what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. Is it gonna be a sunny day? I don't really know, but this Formula One, so I might go out. Sports, no, it's not gonna be a good option. Interview, neither. Let's check what I could do more. No, interview 2, it's not definitely for a Saturday. Casual, well, casual could be good, but no. Let's check demo day. No, I'm not gonna wear the same thing twice a week, Let's go to random to see what they can select for me. Okay, I don't really like this one. Let's refresh. Oh, that's a cool outfit. I'm gonna wear this one for Saturday. Thanks, Quick Outfit, for helping me to get dressed, get dressed every day. Thanks, guys.
Amazing. I love the random. Okay, guys, so the second product is Cookie-Easy plant-based recipes to avoid food waste, built by Nicolas, Michel, Guillaume, and Fito.
Hey guys, my name is Nick. So I'm vegan, but I really like to cook my own recipes at home because it's generally healthier and definitely cheaper than going to the restaurant. And I'm a broke coding student right now, so I definitely need to save some money. The problem I have is I always have some ingredients in my fridge at home, some good fresh ingredients, but I can never seem to find a recipe that uses all of these ingredients. So I always end up buying a lot more groceries and then throwing away a lot of food in my fridge, unfortunately. But a good friend of mine told me about this great app called Cookeasy. I've been using it for the past few weeks, and it's really amazing. It solves all of my cooking problems. So Cookeasy is an app that manages all of the ingredients in my fridge, and then it's giving me recipes based on those ingredients I have, so I don't have to buy too many more to cook. So it's really perfect, and I actually need to use it right now because it's lunchtime and I'm starving. So let's. I'll just start by going to my fridge because I just received a really nice wine bottle. So I'll just add that to the rest of the ingredients that I have in my fridge. Perfect. So let's try to find a quick recipe for my lunch. So let's see in the ready to cook section. This green smoothie bowl looks like I have all 12 ingredients already. So let's check the reviews just to be sure. So only 2 reviews. It's all good. So I'm definitely gonna choose that one. So I'll just start cooking right now, actually. So okay, I'll put all the ingredients in my blender. Let's add some frozen bananas and mix everything. And I'll just throw in a little toppings on the top. And wow, this smoothie is actually really good. Yeah, super good. I'll just leave a quick review before I continue. So I'll give it 4 stars because it is a little bit sweet for me, but it's still pretty good. So good, but a little bit sweet. So I'll just leave that review, and perfect. And so now I need to plan my dinner because, guys, I actually have a date tonight, which is why I'm super nervous right now. You might have noticed me shaking a little bit. Yeah, so I really want to impress her, and I'll cook a nice meal, but I want to find at least 2 good recipes to cook. So let's start by finding a main dish, and I don't want to cook something for too long, like 1 hour really max. So let's see what they got for me. So vegetable quinoa bowls, it looks like I have most of the ingredients, so let's check it out. So I'll need to add to buy some beans, a can of tomatoes, some cayenne pepper. I need to buy that anyway. Eggplant and oil. So these shouldn't be too hard to find at the grocery store. So I'll add them to my grocery list. So I'll just add the recipe to my wish list so I can go back to it later. And now let's find a dessert. So I remember she really loves chocolate. So that's a good one. I hope they have something good. So chocolate covered strawberries. So only 4 ingredients and only 15 minutes to cook. So let's just see quickly. Pretty common ingredients. So I'll just add those to my grocery list as well and save that recipe for later. Perfect. So now I'm all good to go at the grocery store. So now that I'm finished with my groceries, I think I've bought everything I had on my list. So let me just check. Aloe vera, I have that one. Canned tomatoes, I found those. Navy beans, I bought a few more because I eat those all the time. Let's see everything else. The oil, the strawberries. Looks like I've got everything. I'll just check everything. Cool, so now I'm good to go back home and cook and hopefully impress my date tonight. And what's really cool is I've used mostly ingredients I already had at home, so I don't have to waste them. I'm saving money. So thank you very much, Cookeasy.
Amazing. So third app, if you're ready, it's Go Climb, created routes to improve your climbing journey. It was built by Javier, Robert, Simon, and Diego.
Hi guys, my name is Javier, and I'm a full-stack developer at a cool startup here in the Mainland. As many other urban climbers, I spend most of the year working indoors in a gym, and when the summer season arrives, I'm looking forward to get into some trips out by the real mountain climbs. Thing is, I don't know the sites in depth, and I cannot afford to spend long periods in times looking for new routes in there. So, when I finally find something, my trip is over, I have to come back, and I get frustrated because I don't know when my next trip will be. Luckily, my friend Simon told me about this great app, which is called Go Climb, and it will allow me to easily organize my trips by suggesting me routes in the real mountains, adapted to my schedule, in the same area, and with my skill set. So let's check it out. Oh, it looks nice. There's many routes here. So let's explore some more. Some more here. Actually, my friend told me about this great area, which is not very far from here. It's in New Hampshire. It's called Romney. I have to tell you guys that I'm a decent climber. In climbing, levels start at 5.7, and that's for a beginner. A real good climber would be at 5.13, and since it's the beginning of the season, I'm looking for something to warm up. So I'm going to look for Romney, let's say 5.10. Let's see what I have. Oh, cool. It looks like there's some routes adapted to my level in that area. So I think for warm-up, Millennium Falcon would do it. I see they have my level. It's in the Romney area. And oh, great, 4 routes on the right of Monsey. The names of the roads and the grades are written on stone. I can miss it, so it looks like a good warm-up, actually. Let's look at the reviews. Extremely fun route. Recommended, great. It's a great view. So, and even it looks like I can leave a review. So that's great. Let's look at the technical details now. Oh, good level. Technical sports is the style that I like. Not too far. Good rating, 4.59. And these guys even give me some advice. It's ideal for a warm-up. So I'm going to add it to my next trip. So my trip is going to take a weekend. I'm going to set my schedule of the weekend. It looks like the weather conditions are not so good, so I will be prepared. And it seems like they even give me advice for accommodation, so that's fine. But now one route is not enough, so I'm going to add a new route. And I see that the app even suggests me routes closer to my level. Flying Hawaiian, it's made by Stefan. I know that guy. So I'm going to check his profile. Oh, it looks like he's a good climber. He's also a route setter. So I'm going to follow him so I won't miss any route he's going to set. And because I want to impress him, I'm going to invite him to my next trip. He has also a lot of followers. So I'm going to look at the routes he set. Oh, actually, there are so many routes that he's put up. That's great. So I think I'm going to stick with the Flying Hawaiian, as I said. Again, it's a must-do road, so great. Let's look at the reviews then. Great accent. Kudos to road setter. So that's good. Good views and stuff. So let's look at the technical details again. Sport, which is my preferred style. Not too far. Even a better rating, 4.79. And it's a challenging route for me, so it should help me to get better. So I'm going to add it to my next trip. And now I hope Stefan is going to accept my invitation. And it looks like I have all the information I need. The weather, the distance from there. So I'm going to set this trip as complete. And check if there's something new in my profile. So, oh, great, Robert has invited me. So I'm going to accept the invitation from him. And you know what? Now I have like 2 next trips with all the information I need, and I will have fun climbing with friends. Thank you so much.
You are so famous now. Okay, so the next app is Science, an app to discover and contribute to science projects. It's built by Eric, Alex, Aaron, and Heather. Congratulations.
Hello. Hi, my name is Aaron Feldman. I am a student here in Montreal and a recent graduate of university. And I have a huge passion for history. And actually, really soon after this event, I'm actually going to be going on a big trip with my girlfriend to Greece to go explore some historical sites. And I noticed that in my trip plan, I have a lot of time on the plane, a lot of time in the airport, and I'm going to be sitting there with my computer doing not much, nothing useful. So I thought if there was some way that I could contribute to scientific research from the comfort of my computer, that would be awesome. And so I asked my friends, and they told me about a site called SciUS. So SciUS is a database for scientific citizen science projects, which allow me to, in a way, contribute to scientific data that scientists would otherwise be too busy or too numerous to collect themselves. So I created an account, and I decided to check it out. So I start to browse a bunch of the projects that they have. They have a whole bunch. I can contribute to all kinds of stuff. It's really cool. And what's that? Pelicams? That sounds interesting. Okay. So apparently, scientists from Utah have a cam that they're recording pelicans, and they want my help to catalog all the data. That sounds interesting, but that's not really what I'm interested in myself. So I'm going to keep searching. And, I'm a history person, so I'm probably going to find what I'm looking for in the history filter. So, and they have all this kind of really cool stuff. What's that, decoding punch cards? Okay. So apparently, historians and scientists across the world are looking for they have a bunch of these catalog cards from World War I, and they need my help and citizens scientists like myself to explore and discover all of it. So I think I'm going to save this for my flight later on so I can have something to do. And, they have a whole bunch of these really interesting history projects, but I haven't really found something that I'm truly invested in. So like American Soldier, that looks nice. I helped transform one-of-a-kind collection. American Civil War Soldiers also sounds cool. I saw one at the top. What was that? Global Explorer. All right. Let's see what that's about. So in this project, scientists need my help to search the South American countries to find and locate ruins and signs of ancient history, ancient presences. That sounds exactly like something like me would be interested in. And not only, I think they need some funding. And I think, I got a bit of money left over from my graduation, so I think I'm gonna fund the project a bit. I'll give them, $100. That seems around my price range. And that's cool. And, just going to punch in some very real credit information right now. So, yeah. And it's so cool that a site like this has given me so many opportunities to discover and explore different types of scientific research. And not only can I actively participate in these projects, but I can also fund them in ways. And what's that? I seem to have gotten some sort of badge. Let's check that out. So apparently the site will has achievements, and that I can actually continue to earn these achievements as recognition that I'm actually making a difference in the scientific community. That is awesome. And yeah, that's what SciUS is.
Great job, guys. Are you ready for the next one? So, yeah. So the next one is Wizard, an app to help you find your next home based on what you value the most, built by Benjamin, Philippe, and Sebastian.
Hi guys, my name is Philip and I am from Edmonton, Alberta. Yeah, Edmonton. Quiet town, not much to do in Edmonton. I have to rely on my car a lot, like every time I leave home, which kind of sucks, but I have a good news. I'm moving to Montreal next week. Yeah. Montreal. Montreal is a land of opportunities, full of life, diversity, proximity. So I'm pretty excited, as you can see. And the thing is, Montreal is kind of big, and I don't know Montreal. In fact, I've never been, you know. So I need a place, I need an app that can show me to pick a neighborhood based on what I value the most. And this app is called Wizard, and we're gonna see together what it can do for me. All right, for starter, I would like to be surrounded by restaurants, so I'm gonna add that one. Okay, and also it's beautiful outside, and I wanna pick somewhere full of green spaces. All right, and maybe for the last criteria, I can add parking spaces. Okay, cool. Parking spaces, that doesn't really sound right, does it? I mean, I'm choosing a district based on proximity, so might as well pick something that is more bike efficient. All right, cool. It seems that the app updated the results, and I have a top 3 to choose from. So I see Saint-Édouard, Mylène, and Petite Bourgogne. Petite Bourgogne shows restaurants, parks, and bikes green, so let's see that one. All right, so this is the district. Those are the restaurants. That's pretty nice. There's quite a few, not used to that. Quite a few bars too. And what are those? Those might be the Big C station. All right, that's pretty nice. What else does it say? It says that the spoken language is English. Kind of weird. I mean, I came here to learn French, so I think I'm gonna keep looking. It shows the Myland. Only red flag is the public transport, so I mean, I'm still curious. I'm gonna go see what the Myland says. All right. Let's see what people have to say about the Myland. This guy, Simon, says, only downside is that there's no metro station, but man, the restaurants. I came here for bootcamp. I don't think I made the lunch once. This food is so tasty. All right, Simon, I feel your vibe. Let's see the photo. So I think this is the Air Commune. Pretty cool outdoor space. What else? This is La Gare, located in the Myland, where the Wagon is located as well. Pretty cool. Okay, maybe you can go back on the map and see what Simon was talking about. Yeah, there's quite a few restaurants, even more than in Petite Bourgogne. Quite a few bars too. That's pretty impressive. With all that food, I might want to, you know, hit the gym once in a while. All right. Well, I'll find a lot of coffees, dude. Whoa, that's impressive. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna be able to make a clearer choice now. And thanks, Wizard, for the help.
Very useful for July. July is coming. Moving day. So the next app is TravelMed, an app to help you find the medication you need wherever you travel. It was built by Romain, Christina, Axel, and Claire.
All right. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. I'm actually going to start with a really easy question. Does anybody here like to travel? All right, yeah. Just about everyone. I do too. I love traveling. So you can imagine how excited I was when I found out that I was going to get the chance to go to Moscow, Russia for 3 weeks for work. Now, I'm a web developer, and I love my job. The only problem is sometimes after a long day of work, staring at screens, I have a bit of a headache. And unfortunately, today is one of those days. I didn't think to bring any medicine to Russia from Canada, and I'm not familiar with the medications here, and I don't speak Russian. So I'm not comfortable going to a pharmacy and asking somebody for help or trying to figure it out for myself. Luckily, my good friend Romain introduced me to a brand new app called TravelMed, which is going to do that all for me. It will help me find the medication I need while I'm here in Russia. So let's check it out. Okay, so I'm from Canada. I'm visiting Russia. I know that back home in Canada, if I start to feel a bit sick, get a bit of a headache, I like to take ibuprofen. All right, so it looks like we have quite a few choices of different Canadian medications that have ibuprofen in them, so let's take a look. So I'm not too familiar with these brands. I don't know that one. I'm going to keep going. Okay, I know that I know Advil, so let's see if this Advil Multi is what I need. Okay, looks like it treats headaches, but it's more for cold and flu, so it's not exactly what I need right now, so I'm going to keep looking. All right, so, Advil 12-hour. I've definitely taken that before, and it worked like a charm. So I'm going to select that one. Okay, so now let's take a look at all of the different Russian equivalents to the Advil that I've chosen. Okay, so you have Nurofen. I'm going to scroll along. Okay, that looks okay. I don't need the kids version. I don't know if I'm going to take the gel right now. That might be a little bit strong for me just at this moment. But okay, so let's go with the Nurofen. Let's see what that one is. Okay, looks like it treats headaches. That's what I need for me right now. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to save it to my profile. Now, I've only been in Russia for a couple of days, so I'm not familiar with Moscow yet. I don't know where there are any pharmacies, so I'm going to check on the map here. All right, looks like there are a few nearby. This one in Red Square, that looks like it's within walking distance, and hey, it's open, so I'm going to go there to buy my medicine. Now, once I get there, I'm still a little bit nervous because if I can't find it or if I have any other questions, I still can't communicate with the pharmacist. But that's no worries. I'm just going to log right back into the app, open it up where I've saved it, and I can show the pharmacist all the information that I've saved here in Russian. She'll know exactly where to send me. And yeah, no worries. I have my Nurofen now. My headache's gone. I'm ready to go about my day. And next time I'm in Russia, if I need to buy it again, I know exactly what I'm looking for and where I need to go. Thank you.
All right, so it's already our last but not least app, Archangel, your personal health guardian. Yeah, Jose, Thomas, Gustav, and Joey.
Okay, so hi guys, my name is Jose, and tonight I'm going to tell you a little secret. So a few months ago, I was feeling a little bit weird. I had some headaches, I was feeling sleepy and tired, so I decided to go to the doctor. But when I was there with the doctor, he told me, I have some good news and some bad news. The bad news is that those things that you're feeling is because you have prediabetes. But the good thing is that prediabetes can be easily reversed if you change your habits. And I know how hard it is to have prediabetes and type 2 diabetes because I saw my father and my mother going through that for 20 years. So I don't want that for myself. I started to change my habits, and during the past weeks, I've been doing that quite well. But the problem is that it's really, really hard to get proper feedback, support, and understanding of what's going on with my health unless I go to the doctor every single day, which of course, it's impossible to me. Fortunately, my friend Gustav told me about this amazing app called Archangel, which is designed to be your personal health coach. So let's check it out. So when I go to the app, he's asking me to connect my Fitbit, which I already have here with me. So I'll simply, for those of you who don't know what Fitbit is, it's a sensor that I wear with me and that collects data from anything that I do, my sleep, my exercise, my food, and my stress even from my heart rate. So I suppose Archangel is going to use that to provide me health coaching. So let's check it out. Let's connect my Fitbit. Okay, so wow, so this is amazing. It's providing me with a health score, 66 out of 100. But I don't know what's that. Let's check it out. So actually, this health score, it's basically a single number from 0 to 100, which estimates how my habits are doing on every single day. This is extremely useful because I can understand how my health is doing on a very simple way every single day without going to the doctor. This is actually awesome. But you know what? Let's go a little bit deeper. Let's check out what that means. So my heart rate is okay. That's because maybe my meditation is working during the mornings. But you know what? My sleep is not going that well. You know, this might be because of the bootcamp. We have been working for 10 days like crazy, coding. But I promise you guys I'll fix that and I'll be working next week. Okay, so let's go and check out my score history and see how that's going. wow, this is amazing. Because I thought that I was improving after my doctor visit, but it seems that I have some good days and bad days. It's not a constant, so I need to improve that. But let's go and check out June 7th today and see what's going on. Okay, so my diet is perfect. I got a nice salad today. That's really good. As I told you, I did meditate this morning, so my mindfulness is good. But my sleep is paying now, so I need to build on that. I promise you guys I'll fix that next week. So let's go to my profile and see if this is actually my data. Wow, this is amazing. I did got 9 cups today. I had 5 hours of sleep because we went to bed at 12 last night, and some steps because I was coding all the time. But you know what? I'm not sure if this is as responsive as they say. So we're gonna test something right now in real time. So I'm going to do 5 squats, and this app is supposed to work in real time. So it's going to calculate automatically a new health score, and it's going to show here. So you guys are going to count from 1 to 5, and I'm going to do 5 squats. So let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5. Okay, wow, this is amazing. 5 points more, and it's saying I have 5 squats, 31 active minutes. I'm reaching my goals. This is exactly what I was needing. Support, feedback, real-time data, everything that I need. But you know what? Changing habits is something that is really, really hard, even for me and for many people. But it is not an impossible thing to do if you have Archangel. Thank you.
That's awesome. That was already the last speech. I hope you enjoyed it. They deserve a huge round of applause again. And now I'm going to invite La Viva Mazar to come to the stage. La Viva is investment analyst at Luge Capital. She was a guest speaker here at one of our Wagon Talks this season. She shared amazing advice with the students, and she came back to say a few words to them.
Hi, everyone. Thanks to everybody for coming, and to Le Wagon for organizing this. Congratulations to all of you guys. All of your apps were super cool. I see myself using most of them. Maybe I'm not a good climber, so maybe not the climbing one. I wish there was a fintech app. That's my background, but maybe next time. But all of you guys, go create some cool shit, build companies, and looking forward to seeing all of you guys do great things. So, yeah.
And now it's the time for the certificates.
Okay, perfect. Aaron Feldman. Congratulations. This one, right? Oh, sorry. Alexandre Tang. Axel Zeller. Benjamin Domingue. Congratulations. Claire Deacon. Diego Armando Hernandez. Congratulations. Sorry if I'm butchering some of your names. My apologies. Eric Pendleton. Fitzgerald Brand. Guillaume Chrétien. Gustave Folkmar. Heather Demanby. Jackie Chow. Javier Vaquero. Joe DiLillo. Joel Colomas. Jose Zia. Christina Deerstein. Marc-Antoine Tallet. Michael Zhu. Nicola Dontini. Sorry if I'm like butchering your name. Philippe Desjardins. Robert Simon. Romain. Sebastian Czech. Honestly, I feel like how teachers probably felt when they were calling all of our presents in school. Simon Daku. Thomas Ferris. Can we also get a big round of applause for the Le Wagon team?
Okay, so before we go for the drinks, I have some special thanks actually for the amazing teachers and teacher assistants who help the students. They were phenomenal and they helped them in their learning curves every day with the projects. They were amazing, especially Martin, the lead teacher. Stefan over there. Camille and Simon. Victor Bianchi, there. Victor K, Richard, Fred. Stephanie, Gabriela, Daniela, John, Timothée. Antoine and MG. Law, our amazing marketing lead. And Claudette, I saw Claudette over there. Our yoga teacher helped us get relaxed when we were stressed. And also Laga, team Amine, Neo, Christian, LP for having us as our partners. And for you guys to for you guys to know, our next sessions start July and fall October. And we have a part-time bootcamp starting in October. So if you want to know more information, just talk to us at the end of the event. We can now start the networking event with the drinks. You can have beer, wine, soft drinks. And the employers can also connect with the students. Thank you.